Hi, I'm Mr. Harris. I'm the instructor in the Computer Networking Technologies program. I'm here to talk to you a little bit about what we do in computer networking. We have adopted a software program from the Test Out Corporation, which prepares students to enter the IT field. In the junior year, we use a program called IT Fundamentals Plus. That program prepares them for a very entry-level IT certification. It also gives students kind of an overall look at the IT field. They cover hardware repair, software diagnostics and installation, a little bit of networking. It just kind of gives a student the ability to look at the IT career field as a whole, so that they maybe can pick a general area that fits them or that they feel fits them the best. At the end of that program, there is a certification from CompTIA. CompTIA is one of the industry-leading providers of IT certifications. That certification is called the IT Fundamentals Plus certification, and it just kind of proves your knowledge of entry-level IT career field information. Senior year, we use another program from the Test Out Corporation also, PC Pro Plus. PC Pro Plus is dedicated to the A+ exam. The A+ exam covers PC hardware, repair, installation, setup, and PC software installation and diagnostics. The A+ exam, that certification is one of the most recognized in the IT industry. Pretty much any beginning IT professional who's trying to get into the workforce without a bachelor's degree is going to have that A+ certification. That is probably the gold standard to take to a prospective employer to prove that you have the knowledge to participate in the job that you're applying for. The program provides an entire year's worth of practice and covers countless topics within that field. There are multiple practice exams at the end, and Test Out does have a version of the A+ certification that the student is allowed to take.